You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding odd English phrases. Today, we're uncovering the meaning of the idiom beat around the bush. Beat around the bush means avoiding the main topic or not getting to the point. But where does this quirky saying come from? Well, back in the old days, hunters would literally beat around bushes to scare birds out into the open. Instead of going straight for the prize, they took their sweet time. So, when someone is beating around the bush, they're not getting to the main issue. Imagine asking your friend if they like your new haircut, and they start talking about the weather. Yep, that's beating around the bush. Here's an example to show you how to use it. Stop beating around the bush and just give me the surprise. Now that you know, impress your friends and sound like a native speaker. Thanks to Learn Lingo, learning English has never been so fun. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn Lingo.